Where'd you get the dirty chair?
I don't know. All right, we got the amazing Glow Wubble bubble ball. It goes up to 3 feet, it says, as seen on TV.
And this is actually for the Wubble X. So, we're going to make this float.
We're going to halfway fill it with the helium, so maybe it'll
This is a global
jump
of Wubble
up
X.
in the air a little bit. And also, I don't have
We're
the
going
pump.
to do it outside.
I don't have the pump to from the original Wubble Bubble kit.
Does that cost more?
Yeah, it's more money. This was like $12.99 for just this. I was going to blow it up with air compressor. But when you take this out of the here, it's all like smushed together. So I was going to blow it up some with the helium.
It's a great hat. Makes a great hat.
Yeah.
And when you deflate it, it makes a great hat.
It would have been an unboxing, but you've already made a great hat out of it, apparently.
Well, I don't think there's anything in here except for like the instructions. And
The same thing that we had last time. Mama, don't stick it through this whole thing like you did last time.
yeah, I know.
This time you can see.
There's warnings.
Squish it, kick it, catch it, throw it, kick
This
it.
is, I think you're not supposed to hump it.
Don't. Yeah.
Or something.
No dogs.
Uh-oh. She's going to be mad about that. She's like, I want to play with a wubble wubble.
Cats.
She's gonna
No
see what
darts.
she's gonna
Don't
do.
throw darts at it. Don't poke it with
Branches.
a fork.
No cats or dogs.
Pins.
Mm-hmm.
No thorn bushes.
That is.
Can I see?
Alright, here.
Where's the thorn bushes? Oh, and they call that a glow wubble ball. I don't see any thorn bushes. Yeah, it looks like that looks like a bad strawberry.
Yeah.
That's what it looks like. No twigs, no dogs, no cats, no.
So how's it hold air in there? Doesn't it have
darts,
like a
no
plug or
forks,
anything?
no
I have no
twigs.
idea.
Don't poke a hole in it.
I know, I'm worried I'm going to tear it up like I did the other one.
Yeah. Here, let's blow it up with the air compressor.
Here, can you help me?
Hey, there's a hole in it. Yeah.
Oh, can I pull the trigger?
No, not yet. I got to get it through the thingamabob.
Can I-
Here, let me.
Or you're gonna put it through the thingamabob first. Good. Good idea, Mama.
Here's
The
my
school bus
radio.
stopped up there.
Here's the radio. They got it turned up
working?
real loud.
I don't know.
Oh, it's in
poke
there.
the side.
It's in
I
there.
know, I'm trying not to.
I think
No,
it's in there.
not.
Let me try it.
I'll try.
Hold on. I think it's in there now, maybe.
It almost went out the side.
What?
Yeah.
Is it?
Yeah, it's in there.
I think you did it.
It's in there.
Sure? Because it feels
I saw it.
like. Is it?
Now you're attaching it.
Wait a minute.
How do you turn it on?
Yeah, hopefully that one.
This is a helium. Oh.
Told you it's in there.
Don't let it float away now.
It's gonna be
It'll
awesome.
fill the whole thing up. That's it?
I guess that's all that's in there.
Ooh,
Boy,
mosquito.
that's kind of.
Wait, I wanna
That's
see it
all
float.
the
I wanna
helium
see it
that's in
float.
there.
I
Really?
want to
That's
see
it?
it float.
No, don't.
It was too heavy to hold
Yeah.
it. All right, let's.
It?
That's
That's
it.
it.
$8.
Man,
Look,
it doesn't
hold
do
it.
a
Drop it.
thing.
Don't drop it on the ground.
All right, here, let's
Doesn't
go.
do a thing.
Can't
Do
believe
the
that's
air
it. Are you
compressor.
sure we didn't use any of the other stuff? Yeah, it's like nothing coming out.
I can't.
How do you plug it up? Plug the hole up.
No, you can't. It just kind of, that's the way it is.
Really? Upright?
Now it's one.
Okay, stick it in a little bit. That's good.
Are you sure it's going right?
It's loud.
I don't think it's going in there. What do the directions say?
You're supposed to break a hole in the inner layer. There, it's going in there now.
All right.
It's in there. It's going in there,
All right, so it can get 3 feet wide.
apparently. And I would hold it while you do it for the dirt on the floor doesn't get
Yeah,
on my
don't
glass.
drop it.
Well, it's going to get dirt stuck to it.
No.
It's not gonna like explode, is it?
I don't want it to
Nah.
explode on me.
I think so. It's made out of kind of rubbery stuff.
Yeah, it's not gonna explode. It's gonna pop. That's not gonna pop. It's not gonna pop.
Isn't that exploding in balloon terms?
No, it's gonna get a hole in it. That's what's gonna happen.
How big is 3 feet? Is that not big enough?
This is way
No,
out
it gets
there.
way bigger than that.
It is?
So he, I mean,
It's like 1 foot.
Sure it's not leaking
how
somewhere?
tall are you?
No.
No, it's not leaking. It's just going in there.
You sure?
I hope so.
Shut up.
Seems like it's taking a really long time.
Oh, there's a tiny hole.
The hole
Is
where
there
you
a hole?
poked it, yeah.
Looks like it.
No, that's a dirt speck.
Oh,
Is that 3 feet yet?
no.
Hold
It's
on.
so lazy.
Pause it.
A centimeter more than.
Is that 3 feet?
No.
About.
Didn't it come with a measuring tape?
I don't know.
Okay. I think that's enough. I don't want it
That's
to
Let's see
pop.
if we can find the measuring tape. Got it in there again.
Is it in?
Yes, it.
Is that 3 feet? Is it 3 feet big or 3 feet diameter or what?
This is
3
really big.
feet wide.
That's
Top.
looking more like it.
Is that about right?
I'd keep going.
Really? Okay.
Yeah.
All right.
If you pop it, I'm blaming you.
How stretched out that is.
I guess that's enough. Okay. All right, where are we gonna take it to play with it?
Inside.
I don't know. Well, we can
In the living room.
Why you don't?
Shine
It's
the light
gonna
on
knock something over in the living
Here.
room, won't we?
take it through the...
Whoa, it's huge. Oh, it's huge.
See if it floats any.
Doesn't float in.
Toss it. Oh, toss it up, toss it up.
It might float a little bit since it's got helium in it. No.
Get it on the dirt. Don't get it on the dirt!
You don't want to get it on the dirt? Why?
Because it gets dirty and it sticks to it.
Well, that's what I do.
Okay, let's go.
So you can knock something over in my house.
I'd rather knock something over.
I
I'll go up
wouldn't.
and... It does kind of glow.
Oh yeah, this is blowing a little bit.
Now let me get the flashlight out after it.
No, I want to lay on it. Gavin,
Well, you're
don't
gonna
jump
get
on it
dirt
like that.
on it from
Hold on, let me
the.
get the flashlight out.
Oh, it's blowing a little bit. Now let's do it together. No, Gavin, no. There's a little bit of. Now let it go.
Hold on.
Well, I guess the helium didn't really do anything.
No, not really. Is it glowing on the camera?
A little bit.
I think it says don't do that on the packaging.
No, that's okay. They
Dang.
can do that. Wow, it's getting really big.
One person at a time. It's my turn still. No, my turn still. How about my turn? It's your turn now. Oh, it could float. No, it can't.
Jesse.
You want to see if it's 3 feet?
No, we're fine.
Wasn't it supposed to be floaty? Oh, that's right, babe.
34, I think. Oh.
It does glow a little bit, but it's
I
not,
got it a little bit bigger.
not bright enough to,
I love you.
you love the wall? It's
Do I
not
see
bright
my
enough to see on the camera. I guess it's fairly strong to be put up with both of them falling out of it.
I'm scared to actually lay on it.
Well, it seems really stretchy, so I think you could probably lay on it. Try laying on it.
No, it says don't lay on it.
Yes?
Yes, remember
No,
the
he was in
pictures?
the pool.
Yeah,
Try to see
it
my
was
face?
in water.
Do you want to see
Oh.
my face? It's not a floaty. That's what it said.
Is that what it was?
What the?
It's pretty strong.
You should play with it outside.
Don't put it. I like it inside.
All the dirt.
Well, that's what kids like to do. They like to
Well,
play.
it gets ruined. You know, everything, that surface is real sticky.
Is it not sticky, is it?
Did you touch the other one after you guys are done with it?
The one that I broke.
Yeah, the one you exploded.
Yeah, push the air compressor. Rest of the hole. Oh, it's pretty neat when you look at them to the other side and they're smushed into it.
No grabbing on
Grab
it.
it,
Yeah, you
smush
might
into
scratch
it.
it with your fingernail.
Can you see your face through it on the other side?
No, not really. Kind of, I guess. Guess we can do like a torture test.
Fun?
Do like a torture test for them.
Torture test?
Yeah, what they're just playing with it is torture.
I guess I better start feeling
Well, I guess they like it, so maybe it's a success, and it's pretty rugged for them to be jumping on it like that. Just don't blow it up with a...
Hey, see if y'all can kiss, like, smushing your heads together.
Ew!
See if
Just
you're,
don't...
alright, see if you can hit. See if you can touch each other's heads then. I'm not. Kiss. You don't have to kiss. Brother and sister. Ew.
I don't know.
Just don't bite it, because it might pop.
I'm going.
Sounds like a horror movie.
It's like this.
I wish that little,
It's like a squishy yoga ball.
that punching bag should have been made out of this material.
What if there's ants in there?
Well, the punching bag
No,
is
we
destroyed
go
in
in
30 seconds.
Oh, yeah, that was funny.
Jeez.
Yeah, we go in bed.
I thought it would be a little bit more rugged than that. This kid's right here. Well, aside from the helium not filling it up, it's pretty neat.
Or helping it float in.
Yeah, it doesn't float any because there's not enough. Don't waste your time on the $7 thing of helium. Get some helium from somewhere else.
My bed.
Was it
No kicking back,
$7.95 or something like that?
Yeah, it wasn't cheap.
Yeah,
It wasn't like
that was
$2
ridiculous. That was totally a waste of time. But the ball's pretty fun.
Ooh, so big.
You get a discount on it.
Mine.
Boom, calls out. Like, subscribe, comment, share.
Watch our other videos.
And do you want? You can watch our other videos. You want some children that have some for sale? Actually, we'll probably give them away for loaner time.
She's taking it from us. It's mine. It's mine.
You were able to sit on it, and it rolled you off.
Yeah. But she's screaming and then. Oh.
Oh my gosh, she sank all the way down to the ground. Wow.
It's never gonna pop.
I guess not.
The other did.
No, the other was busted before it was inflated.
You want to see if it'll withstand 250 pounds?
No,
No.
I'm 240.
Is there a weight limit?
It's probably a weight limit, just like everything else. I couldn't do anything when I was 250.